To download the Attributor for BricsCAD plugin, go to asconstructed.com. Once there, from the menu, click on Downloads. If you don't have an account, you can request one on this page. Once you have an account, click the Already a Member, Download Here button at the top of the page. Then sign in with your username and password. On the subsequent page, you can click to download Attributor for BricsCAD. This will download a zip file and provide you with your license key via a pop-up screen as well as a copy to the email address associated with your account. Open your downloads, then extract the zip folder that was downloaded to your computer. Once extracted, go ahead and run the installer. When it opens, you may need to give it permission to run. Then step through the installer. Read and accept the license agreement. If you have more than one version of a product, it will be listed here. You can also choose the profile to apply it against, as well as the folder location. Finally, click to install the Attributor plugin. Once it finishes installing, you can start up BricsCAD where you'll have the Attributor plugin installed. We'll go ahead and start a new drawing. The first time you try to use Attributor, you'll need to enter your license key. Once installed and activated, you'll notice there's an additional menu added. This menu has some sample blocks as well as the 2 functions that are added with Attributor. Also, Attributor has put its functions in the Add-ins tab on your ribbon for easy access. We hope you enjoy using Attributor. For more information, visit asconstructed.com.